Like olives?
Taylor, Ellen's back on. I think she gave someone a truck.
Should have been me, because we're so poor we can't even afford a bicycle.
You think Ellen would give us a car because we're so poor we can't afford a bicycle? What if she saw your car?
I'd give it to her.
You would give it to her?
Ellen could have my car. I'll trade her for a day.
You're so sweet, baby.
I'm just thinking about Ellen. I'm putting her in front of my feelings.
Trying to help her out?
I'm trying to help a nigga out.
Does Ellen look pretty?
Ellen's so pretty. She's the prettiest lesbian on planet face.
What are you eating?
A bit potato. I'll save some for Ellen.
Excellent. She will appreciate that. She's a good lady.
I know. She's on the TV. Look.
I know. There's Ellen.
She's confused on where I am. She's been trying to get a hold of me.
Have you talked to her recently?
Well, in my dream one night,
Oh.
she came over and said that I'm going to be the next Britney Spears. I've been working on it. You ready?
Yep.
That's right. I completely forgot about that. Well, then you should maybe get a car. You want a Chevy Cruze? Get down to the Chevy Cruze.
Get me, baby, one more time. Is it?
That's it?
Yeah.
There's no more?
I can write more.
Okay.
Look, they're giving brand new cars away and people are screaming.
Lucky Spring Lake. Whoa, there's a bug on the bed.
What?
I saw like 10 spiders just a second ago.
I don't see anything.
Oh, because you're freaking weird. Watch out, Mommy. They're on your forearms.
Okay, I'll be careful. I love you, baby.
I love you too.